itself, aluminum tight, 6 inches of silver catching the light. A mountain path as long doesn't carry the load, fits in the pack where the water should be, waiting for the curve of a cold mountain sea. Prospector's dream where the black sands crawl, mini dredge mat catches the heart of it all. 12 inches of magic, 62 wide, keeping the color that the river would hide. Fast through the riffles, steady and true, built for the work that a dreamer can do. For the work that a dreamer can do. Setting the trap in the trailing system's wake, testing the ground and the chances we take. A check on the tailings, a fine-tuned eye, no ounces lost where the currents rush by. Extended recovery, the dream's in my hand, walking away from the edge of the land. Built to fold, built to last, leaving the shadow of the heavy worn past. Heavy worn past.